Hey girls, it's Mrs. Forbes. I hope you had a great weekend. This is your CGI Math word problem for Monday, May 4th, and it has to do with something close to my heart, dogs. So we have a boy named Gordon who works at a dog shelter, and he has to feed the dogs each week. Gordon volunteers at a dog shelter. He feeds each dog 31 ounces of kibble per week. If Gordon cares for 29 dogs this week, how much kibble will he need? Now, kibble is basically the dog food, just the little pieces they call kibble. So I'm going to read it again, and I'm going to highlight that important information. Gordon volunteers at a dog shelter. He feeds each dog, very important word there, each dog 31 ounces of kibble per week. So each dog is getting 31 ounces of kibble each week. If Gordon cares for 29 dogs this week, how much kibble will he need? So there's 29 dogs. Each dog is getting 31 ounces of kibble. I have to figure out how much kibble will Gordon need. I want you to pause the video, solve the problem first with plan, solve, check, and then resume the video to review the solution. Alrighty, so let's review this problem. So I already started to set up my plan. I know that there's 29 dogs, and I know that they each get 31 ounces of kibble. So I made a tape diagram, and I couldn't partition my tape diagram into 29 dogs. Well, actually, I probably could have, but that would have taken a long time and a lot of space. So what I did is I did my little dot, dot, dot for the rest of the dogs and started to put 31s in each part of my tape diagram. X is going to equal the total ounces of kibble. And just a reminder that the abbreviation for an ounce is OZ. So again, I have a problem. 29 dogs, 31 ounces each. Dog 1 gets 31, dog 2, 31, dog 3, 31. And that 31 is going to repeat for each dog. What's a shortcut for that repetition? It's multiplication. So I'm going to be multiplying 21 times 31. Now, in order to solve it, I'm going to have to give myself a little bit more room, because I'm going to use the area model to multiply these 2-digit by 2-digit numbers. So remember, with the area model, area is length times width. So I have 29 and 31. So first, I'm going to do 20 times 30, which is 600. Then I'm going to do 20 times 1, which is 20. 9 times 30, 270. 9 times 1 is 9. Then I have to add these together. The 600, 270, 20, and 9. And I end up with 899 ounces. Now for my check, which I'm going to squeeze there. For my check, I'm going to use the standard algorithm to multiply, and I'm going to multiply 29 times 31. And remember, with the standard algorithm, first I multiply 29 times 1, which is 29. Before I can multiply by the 3, I have to do my automatic 0, and now I'm going to multiply 29 times 3. 29 times 3 is 870. And then 29 plus 870 is 899. So I get the same exact answer for my check. Final answer, how many total ounces of kibble will he use? 899 ounces. I'm sure you were very successful, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.